Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to About Phone. This is the first actionable step. Tap the MIUI version or build number 7 times in quick succession. You'll see a toast that says you are now a developer. Once done, return to Settings. Developer options are unlocked, but not yet visible in all interfaces. Make sure to notice any password or screen lock prompts during tapping, because the phone may require authentication before enabling the mode. Now move into Settings and select Additional Settings. That's where Xiaomi places the Developer Options link. Scroll toward the bottom and you should now see Developer Options. If you don't, use the Settings search bar and type Developer to reveal the entry. Once found, open Developer Options and glance through categories like Debugging, Input, and Animations. These groups explain why each toggle matters. Make sure to enable specific options only when needed to finally switch on the specific developer toggles you need. A common one is USB debugging for ADB access. You can also set window, transition, and animator scale to 0. 5x to speed up the UI. Once you finish, exit Settings and test the changes. If something behaves oddly, go back and disable the specific toggle you changed. Troubleshooting tip. If developer options seems missing again, repeat the 7 taps on MIUI version and confirm your system account unlock. This restores visibility.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.